Once we've got the slope formula, we can apply it to find unknowns. So what we had before was 2 points, and we'd use those 2 points in order to find the slope. In this case, however, we have the slope given to us. Remember, gradient is the same as the slope, so we've already got that given to us. What we need to do is to be able to find t. That's our unknown. So we're still going to use the slope formula. We're going to do the question in the same way. We're going to use the slope formula, and then we're going to substitute those values into the slope formula. So remember that the slope formula is that the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 take x1. What we said before was that when we're using the slope formula, it's actually really helpful if we label a point as x2, y2, and another point as x1, y1, as that helps us know what we can put into the slope formula. So if we label that, then we're going to be able to say that the slope is equal to y2 take y1, so that's going to be 4 take 5 over x2 take x1, which is going to be t take 2. Now we can actually put in the value for slope because we know that the gradient is 6, or the slope is 6. So we can say that 6 is equal to, well, 4 take 5 is -1 over t take 2. And then we just have to find t, and we can just do that by rearranging this equation. To get t on its own, we need to multiply both sides by t take 2. Because if we multiply both sides by t take 2, we'll be able to remove t from the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by t take 2 and cancel the t take 2's. Then I'm going to expand through. Remember that by expanding, I'm multiplying each term inside the bracket by the number outside. And I'm going to get 6t, 6 times t is 6t, and 6 times -2 is -12 equals -1. Then I'm going to add 12 to both sides, so you wouldn't have to write that in, but I'm just going to write it in so you know what I'm doing. I'm adding 12 to both sides, and I get that 6t is equal to 11, -1 plus 12 is 11. Divide both sides by 6, and I get that t is equal to 11 over 6. So that's how I find unknowns using the slope formula.